Hi, I'm Kasia, product manager here at Game Analytics, and in this video I'm going to walk you through remote configs. So this feature gives you an easy way to trigger in-game changes without updating your app versions or coding every time. It allows you to customize gameplay parameters by sending key value pairs directly to the player's device, and from there it can be actioned in the game. So let's say, for instance, you can use configs to change game assets such as characters or weapons. Let's say you're launching a summer special or a Christmas special, which you want to trigger at a certain time and for a limited duration of time. Remote config would be a feature to execute that. These configs are defined in the remote configs UI, so where we are right now, and sent to the Game Analytics SDK right away or at a scheduled date. So before we go into creating a config, it is important to mention that in order to get active configs, a call has to be made in the game's code. And once the config is returned, the game can be altered. You can find detailed specification. Let me just share this over here under integration. So you need to make sure to follow this tutorial, and you can find detailed code examples within each SDK's guide over here. I am under docs, core features, and then remote configs. Let's get back to this tab and actually how to create a config. So it only takes two steps to define a config. First, you need to define a config key. Let's say that I have a, I don't know, football game and I want to adjust the ball color. So let it be the value and let it be the key. And the key value, let's say I want to make it red because I'm making a Christmas special and therefore it has to be red. You can filter here by build, country, and OS version, but let's say for me, it's actually not applicable to have filters, and I can define a description here. Let's say special. In this case, I'm set up for the first step, and then I have to go next. And then it's all about scheduling. So since it's a Christmas special, I should probably make a custom time. Let's say I want to start it on the 24th, and then I can also see the time. Let's say that it has to kick in at like 6 in the morning, and then it should end probably on the, I don't know, Tuesday 27th at midnight. Perfect. Then you can also choose the time zone, and this one is the right for me and my audience, and then I can simply press create. So now we have scheduled a ball color Christmas special that starts on December 24th and runs until December 27th. You can always edit it, so make the changes if you want to add filters and so on, or edit the dates, and you can always stop it as well as start it again. So this is basically how you create a remote config. Hope that you're gonna use it in your game.